She says, bro, only good-looking guys get matches on dating apps, man. There's no way I'm going to be able to get any matches. You know, I don't look that great. I can never succeed with dating. I can never succeed with online dating. I'm not even going to get any matches, bro. I've tried it. I still don't get any matches. I need to be good-looking. Only good-looking guys get matches. Yo, what's up, guys? My name is Kshitij, and this is the number one statement I hear from people whenever I talk to them about online dating. Or anybody who's spoken about online dating, they've said the same thing. All my friends that I spoke to said the same thing. All the people that I've coached in the past, they said the same thing. To an extent that, I used to believe this statement to be true for a long period of time. Until I tried to go out there and find it on my own. The truth behind this fucking statement. Is it even true that only good looking guys get matches? Is there no way for us to figure that out? And here's what I found out. 3 things. Firstly, number 1. This statement that only good-looking guys get matches and I'm not model-looking, so I will not be able to get matches, I absolutely hate this statement. Why? Number 1, it perpetrates a victim mindset. It perpetrates a mindset that you've already lost, that you haven't even tried, and because some people said it or you tried a couple of times, you think that's set in stone. That statement is 100% true. And this doesn't go well with me. As a coach, myself, I proud myself in finding solutions to things that don't have a clear solution, specifically when it comes to dating. Because almost the past decade, I've spent in finding out the answers to dating, finding out the answers to attraction, finding out the answers to how you can go up to someone and how you can talk to them. So when I hear a statement that this doesn't work, it cannot work for me, dude, I take it up as a challenge, and neither do I like it. I'm a coach. I believe that anything can be sorted out of that. You can get a result for anything that you want, anything that you set your mind to. I believe everything in life can be accomplished. There's always a way out. But till the time we do not go out there and try, till the time we do not give it a shot, dude, we've already failed. There's no way we're gonna succeed. There's no way we're gonna find a solution to that problem in the first place if we do not even try. Only when we get out of the victim state and we feel that there might be a way out will we go out there and try it and find a solution to that. So firstly, what I want you to do is, I want you to call out bullshit on this fucking statement that online dating only works for good looking guys. Because anytime you believe something that doesn't empower you, it's not serving any purpose. The only purpose of this statement is to keep you stuck and to not get the results and to just give up on something which you haven't even properly tried or haven't even, found out resources to try and make it happen for you. Which is why I want you to level with me and call out the utter bullshit about this statement and get out of this limiting mindset. And only then can we go out there and find a solution for this statement, find a solution to make dating work for you and get you the results that you want. Secondly, when it comes to looking good, your natural born looks barely have a role to play in. Do you know what really matters? It's your grooming. It's the way you click your pictures. It's the way you look. And that thing can be learned. How do I know this? By coaching hundreds and hundreds of guys in person, giving them style makeovers over the past 4 or 5 years since I've been coaching. The past 4 years, I think. The past 4 years, I've coached hundreds and hundreds of guys and giving them style makeovers. You want proof of that? Check out some of my before and after pictures out here. Boom. Do you know how much time it took me for these style makeovers to happen? It took barely 2 hours to take these guys from the before to an after and barely cost them $6,000. After doing these multiple makeovers and showing you proof of that, I can very confidently say that it doesn't matter the way you look, what you're born with, but it matters more how you present yourself. Presentation matters more over natural born looks. The way you groom yourself, the way you take care of yourself is gonna matter much, much, much more in the way that you're looking. And you can easily go from a 5 or a 6 on looks to someone who's at least at an 8 or a 9 on looks like that. Alright, so stop obsessing over that I'm not good looking. There's a way out. I teach you about how to groom yourself, how to click better pictures, and how to have an amazing fashion sense and have an amazing first impression in my online dating mentoring program. Anyway, you can sign up for that and you can check it out. Thirdly, when it comes to dating apps, the way you look definitely does matter. But it does not matter as much as you think. Here's the reality of a girl on a dating app. On a dating app, any guy that she swipes on, she knows that she's gonna get a match. So she's got tons and tons of options to choose from. And most of these options, those guys are good looking. So how can a girl decide who does she want to spend her time with? If everyone is good looking, how is she gonna decide who does she talk to? Who's gonna be different out there? And this is how she can decide. Is the personality that she's gonna look at. So if you're a guy who's on a dating app, What matters more is the way you click your pictures, the way you've groomed yourself. What are the emotions that you're giving the girl from your pictures? Are you showing her that you're an adventurous guy? You're gonna be fun to hang around with. Do you have travel pictures? Do you have adventurous pictures? Do you have pictures which convey more of a personality rather than a mirror gym selfie, which just puts you in the category of hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of guys who've just got like pictures out there, alright, without any personality. Alright. Then secondly, what you utilize is you utilize your bio. You utilize your bio to show your sense of humor, to show your cockiness, to show your flirting skills, to show how much of a fun guy you are. And then finally, once she matches with you, your opening line, then your text game, your attraction on text, how you can build that and how you can make the girl feel like she's known you to build a real connection. That's what's really gonna differentiate you out there, and that's how you can hack not really looking good on dating apps. You can work on it and you can make that happen. And if you want me to help you out with that, if you want me to make this a reality for you, and if this sounds good to you, you think this is possible and this can happen, and you want some guidance with it, you want me to show you how all of this stuff can happen, I've launched my online dating program this week, guys. The launch is going on, but the thing is that I'm going to be closing down the program this Sunday at 11:59 p.m. You'll have to sign up before that. Go to the link in the description box below, or just go to ironmanlifestyle.co/online dating, and you can go out there, you can sign up for the program, and I'm gonna see you on the other side inside the program. That's gonna be all from my side, guys. I look forward to meeting you in the program and meeting you on the live webinar. It's gonna be a completely interactive program. We're gonna be talking to each other, and I wanna help you out, sort your dating life, and get the result that you've always wanted but haven't gotten. This is Kshitij signing off, boys. Peace out.